Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing? Your name and equipment real quick, man.
I'm good. I'm Rooster. Paul Rooster Mingy. Yep. Team OSC in the house. Got 4 DC XL Elites on 2 5Ks. DC 5Ks.
DC 5.
0.35 on each hand.
Oh, wow. Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah, I've done 58.5.
Really? Wow.
Kind of like the.
And you haven't broken your glass yet?
No, not yet.
That's crazy.
Not yet. I'm surprised.
That is great.
I'm really surprised.
I mean, have you ever had a brace here to test? Or no? Okay, that might have helped then, because some people actually do shatter.
Me and Warren has looked at this windshield. It's got 2 flat spots on the corners, and we think that's why saved it.
Yeah, it's not contact. Okay.
This thing, it moves.
Yes, sir. Okay. Can I see the? You're welcome. Can I see the back?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Wow. Awesome. Nice. How much, what are these excess power capacitors rated?
That's the Ying Longs.
Ying Longs, okay.
Yeah, there's 2 more packs in the side on that.
Okay.
About 160 ampere altogether.
Wow, okay, got it. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man. You have a good day.
No problem.
Oh, that's a good idea. I like the way you did the PVCs for 2. That's brilliant.
Keep it still.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. I just learned something. Appreciate it. You have a good day, man. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, I'd love a demo, man.
Let's get it going.
the moment that like it hits a certain frequency, it's like really, really windy. It opens up. I appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.